Welcome to Seals on the Move. I'm Alex Seals.
And I'm Rosie Seals.
After covering the restaurant portion at Guy Fieri's downtown Flavortown in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, we're headed to the arcade. We'll play some games, check out the prize shop, and take a peek at the Duckpin bowling. So let's get a move on with Seals on the Move. This was the grand opening of downtown Flavortown, so the arcade had some technical issues while we were there. Hopefully on your visit all the kinks will be worked out. If you want to see how delicious the restaurant is and what is in the gift shop, take a look at our last video. Our friend Philip also joined us on this exciting day.
So this is a pretty cool arcade in here. Got all sorts of stuff. Don't know what that is. Oh, VR. Giant. Oh, they got that Iceman game that they had at Chuck E. Cheese. Ooh, a Nerf game. Giant Space Invaders. The Monopoly game from Opryland. Jurassic Park game. And some kind of ticket game. They have Mario Kart. Rosie's favorite. Snowball Toss. Oh, I remember these things. Yeah, that's neat. Oh, look at the seating over there. That is cool. Crane machines. Oh, and they have the Disney version of Crossy Road. We got a motorcycle game. All sorts of kind of midway type games. Basically, skee-ball, giant basketball Connect 4, and giant hot shot game. Wow, it's massive. Oh, a pitching game. A beanbag toss. More basketball. And a baseball game. Got some more things. Got some. Oh, basically a cyclone. And you've got the axe throwing, which they had at Dave & Buster's. We got this thing. I don't know what this is, but there's a bunch of orange balls. I guess you throw them at the screen. It's pretty cool. So you use these machines and you get a card, a play card, similar to Dave & Buster's or Chuck E. Cheese. And it'll dispense it down there.
Nerf Arcade. The name reminds me of the old Nick Arcade TV show. This is a target shooting game with 4 levels and even an online leaderboard. Nerf is definitely full of nostalgia for me. I had a Nerf bow and arrow, a Nerf football, and more. Nerf is a very 90s product, even though it started in the 60s. Did you know that Nerf even made dog toys? Appropriately called Nerf Dog.
This is really fun, actually. So we got some virtual reality here. It's called Storm. Let's see what this thing's all about.
The Storm Triotech VR machine was the most immersive and fun VR I've ever done. The graphics were excellent, the response was great, and I like the fact that you can use your hands without any sort of controller. You have to collect glowing orbs while avoiding the orbs that are on fire. There are 3 different games: Canyon Coaster, Reef Rider, which is what we are doing, and Sugary Slope.
So this is that same game from Chuck E. Cheese. Rosie loved it there. It's kind of a clone of Plants vs. Zombies.
That's right. Oh, that one. There you go. This one. Get him.
The one at Chuck E. Cheese is more of a zombie-themed one. So I think with this thing you throw the balls at the screen. It's really cool looking. Yeah, because there's all these balls. All the employees are playing, testing it out. It's been having issues. It's fun. Axe Master. When we played this one at Dave & Buster's, I loved it. It was so much fun. We have Rosie's favorite, Mario Kart Arcade. Her and Philip are gonna compete, and she wants the glasses. There you go, Rosie.
Sunglasses indoors.
Yeah. Rosie, you gotta say your famous line from the Nintendo Store video.
Mario? Mario!
This is the third Mario Kart Arcade GP game. If you want to play together and not against each other, one player drives while the other uses items. The game has been updated over time, adding new characters such as King Boo, Lakitu, and Baby Mario. The game has items that go beyond the normal Mario Kart game, such as the Waluigi Mustache Rocket, Flood from Super Mario Sunshine, and a Dizziness Virus from Dr. Mario.
He beat you at your game, too.
I know, barely.
So this Jet-Pong looks really interesting. Let's try it out. Oh wow, it floats. It's so cool.
What happened?
I was not expecting that. It came out and just go.
Oh wow, cool. Go.
So we gotta knock the clowns down on this one, Snowball Toss. It's like, do we even need to put tickets in? The balls are already out here.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow! You're getting better! You look like a winner! No, wait! Nice storm!
You won?
Yes! Look, oh, I think so. Look, yes!
What are these things? Are these things like squishy? Huh, are they? Yeah, they're kind of squishy.
Look, I got 90.
This is basically the same game as the last one shown, but carnival themed instead of snow themed. These are clowns, and I guess the last ones were abominable snowmen. It's interesting to note that the clowns are actually handmade.
Got the milk jug toss, just like we had at Chuck E. Cheese.
I played this one at Chuck E. Cheese and without really knowing what I was doing, got it in the jug on my first throw. Couldn't do it this time.
Oh, wow. You did on your first row. Good job. Look at that.
Look, it's basically Piano Hero. It's not Guitar Hero, but I think it's a similar type game.
I didn't realize until afterwards, but the faster you go on this game, the more tickets you will get. Philip actually played it more like you would on a real piano.
That was really simple. Like, I thought it would get harder. But I got a lot of tickets for it, apparently. That was not Guitar Hero.
Please stand by. Clearing ring.
And then it got stuck again. Oh, did it count that? So this is Power Roll, and apparently I was looking at it to see what it was, and apparently you have to pull and release the lever with the optimum amount of strength, aiming at the super bonus spot. So I guess you can aim it?
Yeah.
Oh, there.
You want to get the 500 back there. See?
Like straight ahead?
Yeah, 500, but do not go over.
Oh, so you don't want it to go, you don't want to be too strong. Okay, interesting.
You got to balance.
Oh, so close.
So close.
I know, I just said that.
Try again.
I got 60 tickets.
Oh, yes!
Oh my gosh. Philip, you did it. You did it. Good job.
Philip got 1,500 by getting it in the big win super bonus.
And he almost did twice before as well.
This game has a holographic screen. It's the most advanced skee-ball-like game I've ever seen.
Even though he's already won 1,500 tickets in one game, Philip's gonna try to win some more tickets in this.
Okay, I didn't see.
Oh, you're supposed to push it off? Oh, look. Oh, okay. There you go, giant lollipops. They're not really. I mean, these contain a bunch of lollipops. A lot of Nerf type prizes. Billiards table. 4-in-1 gaming table. That's cool. Giant candy necklace. They got a lot of giant candy-like items in here. They got Huskies. Hot Wheels. Dog. You can get some headphones. I actually had these when I was younger. And Rosie's found her Fluffy.
He's so cuddly and soft. Feel it.
Oh well, they got Legos. Look at there. Legos are good prizes because Legos are pricey. And even Spider-Man Legos. Got some Nerf stuff. And even some Under Armour bags. Pretty crazy. Ooh. LED hoops. As Philip said, appropriate for downtown Flavortown, this truck has a burger flipping out the top. It's like a mobile diner. And they've got Mario Kart, which is appropriate since they have Mario Kart out there. And dry bones. Just what you've always wanted, a squishy banana that looks like corn. I got Duckpin bowling over here. Don't think we're gonna do this today, but they got little tiny bowling balls. So that's pretty neat. So the bowling alley has its own menu, which includes pizza. Guy Fieri Pizza. And there's a taco pizza. I love taco pizza.
We hope you enjoyed this episode. Which game looked best to you? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Share this with your friends, subscribe to stay up to date with our adventures, and strike the bell to be notified when we upload videos. If you would like to support us, our Patreon link is down below. As always, thanks for watching and supporting.